Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you the answer of a math puzzle which I showed in my recent live telecast on YouTube. Many people answered differently, so I decided to make a video on the solution of this math puzzle for those who could not answer confidently. So the puzzle was let's write down the puzzle first. It was 11 multiplied by 11 equal to 4. Now you can see from the very first equation that there is some pattern involved, because if you multiply 11 with 11, it's not equal to the 4. So right away we can see that there is some pattern that we have to identify to solve this question. Now let's write the complete question, the complete puzzle first. The second equation was 22 multiplied by 22 equal to 16. It's not the case. If we do the math correctly, 22 multiplied by 22 is not 16. So right away we can see that there is a pattern that we have to identify. Now the third one was 33 multiplied by 33 equal to 18. That's also not true if we talk about the real math. Next one was 44 multiplied by 44 equal to 19. And the last one which we needed to identify was 66 multiplied by 66 equal to what? Question mark. Okay, now let's first do some formatting of the data. uh, Here is the now it looks better. Now you can see that there is some pattern involved in this question right away from the very first equation. So what comes in my mind, what pattern comes in my mind, I try to solve it first. Let's say what we do, as a question is saying 11 multiplied by 11, 22 multiplied by 22, 33 multiplied by 33, 44 multiplied by 44, 66 multiplied by 66. So you can clearly say that there is a multiplication operation in this question. So let's first try to find out the pattern by using the multiplication. So equal sign, as I told in my one of the earlier videos, equal sign multiply 11 multiply by 11. You can see that if we multiply 11 with 11, it is equal to 121, but in the question it is given as 4. Okay, so if I can see some hint here. I don't know if you can identify from the very first equation. Let's try what There are three digits in this answer: 1, 2, 1. Let's split it out: 1, 2, 1. Now add up these three numbers: 1 plus 2 plus 1. It comes out to 4. Maybe this could be the pattern. Now let's try the second equation. Equal sign, 22 multiplied by 22, it comes out 484. There are three digits in this equation, also in the answer of this equation. Now let's split it out: 4, 8, 4. And let's do the summation of these three numbers: 4 multiplied by 8, sorry, 4 add 4 plus 8 plus 4, it comes out 16. So this might be the pattern. As you can see that we have found out the second answer by applying the same pattern. Now go to the third equation, which is 33 multiplied by 33, it comes out 1089. Now there are four numbers involved in this. Let's split these out: 1, 0, 8, 9. Let's add these four numbers: 1 plus 0 plus 8 plus 9, it comes up to 18. That's it. This is the pattern. What is the pattern? You simply do whatever has been given in the question, that is, you simply perform multiplication, get out with the answer, then add the individual digits together. Here comes the answer. It is the pattern. It looks like the pattern. Let's do it on the fourth equation. If the pattern remains the same, then we will do it on the last one. So let's do it. 44 multiplied by 44, it comes out 1936. Let's split these digits again: 1, then 9, then 6, then 3. Sorry, there cannot be any difference if we transpose the digits, but let's follow the pattern here: 1, 9, then comes 3, and then 6. Now let's add these numbers: 1 plus 9 plus 3 plus 6. Here comes 19. So my dear friends, this is the pattern. Now let's do it on the last equation. 66 multiplied by 66, it comes out 4356, 4356. Let's split these numbers into 4, 3, 5, 6. Now add these numbers up. 4 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6. Here comes 18 again. So the answer of this puzzle, 66 multiplied by 66, is equal to 18. This was the answer which I came up at that time too. Let's color it with some yellow color to highlight. Let's do some formatting to make it more clearer. So it's more readable now. The answer of this, you can say it a math puzzle, math UZZLE is 18. So this was the puzzle which I posted in my live telecast. There was mix answers to this question, but the question which was in my mind, which I thought at the time was the closest one, is 18 by using this pattern. So that this is it for this video. In next video I will come up with some more solutions of the puzzles which I found out the difficult one in my some of the previous live telecast. Until then, goodbye, Allah Hafiz.